All right, welcome back to the shop. So this is a short video. This truck's been in a couple other videos. I did one on, I guess, removing and installing the transmission, and then another one on doing the main seal on the engine. It was probably like 3 years ago. So anyways, this thing's got 300,000 miles on it, and the transmission's still shifting, but it's getting to have some problems. It's just wore out. I do a lot of towing with this thing, a lot of off-roading, stuff like that. So 300,000 is good. But what I did, I went online and I was looking for a used transmission. I just thought, well, if I can find a decent used transmission with 70,000, 80,000 miles on it, I'll just get that and put it in and be done. Because just a rebuild kit for me to buy to rebuild one of these Allison 1000s, it's like $3,000 at least, just for the clutches and the seals and everything. So I thought I'll just buy a used one for 1,500 bucks. So I found one online. Looked like a reputable place. I think it's up in Pennsylvania. It's a wrecking yard. And I contacted the guy. I called him and I said, hey, does that transmission really only have 74,000 miles on it? He showed the truck it came out of, showed everything. So I made a deal. I bought it, had arranged shipping. I got it back here and it showed up, and it was just it was a mess. You could tell this thing did not have 70,000 miles on it. For one thing, you know, these Allisons have that screw-on filter. The filter was missing. I don't know why you would take it off. And then I called him about that because I reached up inside there and it was full of grime up inside. Like I reached in there, just filled my finger full of just garbage that was in there. And then, so I called him about it, and he said they also pulled the pan and pulled the internal filter off. Like, well, why would you do that? Just pull the trans, send it to me. That's all you've got to do. And so kind of went round and around with the guy. He kept saying he'd send me another transmission. I'd call him, he'd, oh yeah, I've got one on the way, and he kept lying to me. This going on for like about a month. At this point, it was just a game, just to play with this guy, like just keep calling him and texting him and screwing around with him. But then I finally decided to just get it rebuilt. So I sent it down to Mirror Transmission, and this is the one I bought from the guy. And Rick went through this, put a full kit in there, totally rebuilt this. He said the clutches were burned on it. They were. All right, so anyways, he rebuilt it for me. It cost me around like $3,400 or something like that to have this thing rebuilt. So I've got a lot of money in this now. I've got the $3,400 for the rebuild, plus I've got $1,500 in buying it. I've got about 380 bucks or something like that in shipping it. So I guess when I pull the old one out, I mean, here's the old one. We almost have it out. We're just working on the flex plate bolts. When I get this one out, I'll have to decide what to do. Maybe I'll just sell it as a worn out running takeout. I don't know. But anyways, I'm going to post a picture here of the guy's eBay site, his eBay store, and you know, some other information that I have on it. I'll post it right here in the video so you guys can see it. Just beware. There are good places you could buy used components from. I've had really good luck doing that in the past, but this guy's just a scumbag. He's just lying about it. He still shows the ad on eBay showing 75,000 miles or 74,000 miles on these things, and which isn't unheard of, because you get over there in northeast up there, and you know the trucks rot around the engine and trans. So usually you can get a good running component. It might just be a little corroded or whatever. But that's it for this video. Just beware when you buy something like that. If it's up to me, I'll never do business with this guy again, that's for sure. And I think I'll still keep calling him once a month just to harass him about my transmission until he changes his phone number. So thanks for watching. Hit that like button, share this video if you have someone that would be interested in the stuff I post, and just thanks for watching. So I got the trans down, and you can see my marks up there from when I did the main seal, when I had to torque those. And you can see it's nice and dry, no engine oil in there. It's a little bit of tranny oil right here, that's it. But I've got, like I showed earlier, I got the rebuilt transmission, got a new torque converter, and get another 300,000 miles out of it.